Alright, just because I've never seen anything quite like this, I'm gonna go around the block once. Because this is unbelievable. And yes, I'm filming while I'm driving, and you can judge me if you need to, but holy shit. I've never seen damage like this from a storm in this neighborhood. That one's uprooted completely. Whoa. Damn. Oh my god. Fucking gutted down here. Holy shit. Holy shit. Wow. This is Stonegate, you guys. This is insane. Apologize if the video is a little shaky. I'm prioritizing not crashing. This is already borderline. But wow. And then straight ahead, that one looks like it was snapped off at the base. Crazy stuff. Man, oh man. Next level.